Okay, first thing that she wants to do is lay the window down on a lawn or a rug, something like that, and get you a razor blade, window scraper, and without much trouble, just scrape. Okay, now we will take some lighter fluid or gasoline or any kind of solvent, really, Put it. Be careful now. Don't blow yourself up. On there, get a Scotch-Brite pad. Scotch-Brite. New. We get a bucket of soapy water with some dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent, whatever's available. Soapy water is always universal for cleaning auto parts. Okay, now we basically do the same thing to the corresponding surface. Okay, I'll start at the top so that I don't stick my belly button in it. This stuff is like hard to come out. I don't know how long it's been sitting, but the one to use 3M. Thick, juicy stuff, man. But this is 3M window weld. Most silicons are perfectly waterproof. Like if your boat springs a leak, you take a handful of this stuff, jump overboard, and you slap it on where the crack is. Oh, quit raining. The trick with this glue is use it all. Use up every bit of it here. Not get there. And I say a little gasolino. Meatball, long way me a meatball. Now it's on the tail, not on the car.